I took a different route today. Instead of taking the main road, crowded with the men in tea shops, I just took the tiny, little sloppy, rough road for walking. It's beautiful in the green Collie Hills. I love to stay here whenever I have a chance. I was enjoying the serene beauty of the hills, the fog, the chillness. It's one of the most beautiful mornings, as sun is yet to come out, waiting to listen more songs of chirping birds. On the way, I came across the smell of burning kerosene and wood. I remember, whenever I smell it, it takes me to the early ages of my life, my childhood, my home. I remember the smell of burning wood and kerosene wake me up every morning. After all these years, moving to various cities and places, I still can't recognize the same smell of burning wood. I always wonder when my mother gets up. Did she get up by 4 or 5? Did she sleep? And why she starts her work so early when we all get up late in the morning? My questions were never answered. She cooks using firewood, struggling with smoke in the kitchen, coughs, and who knows, tears sometimes. As usual, the breakfast is ready, but my mother will not eat with us. Things have changed now for us. No more burning woods, servants, LPG stoves, but those memories never. It's the same in the millions of households today, cooking with wood and kerosene. Our mothers are being killed by cooking smoke? Yes. I'm happy that my mother was not one among them, but are some children losing their mothers daily? I wonder why women alone cook and serve to us. If my father or other family members were cooking, I, my sister, or my brother would have spent more time with my mother listening to her stories. She could also spend more time for her. If the domestic work burden and cooking at home could be equally shared, all mothers in the world would spend more time for her, on her health, and with their children. When will mothers eat with us at last? Will the men ever cook? Will children stop losing mothers?